So today's interesting question is how you will insert a node to the starting of a linked list. So here you can see a linked list is here and head is pointing to 71. The new node is 1 and we need to insert into this linked list at the start. So how we can easily insert it? This is a node which has a value of 1. What you have to do? You have to just mark the next of it to the current head wherever it is pointing. You just need to mark it. Okay. So let us mark it. So after this, what you have to do? You have to move the head to the new node. Okay, whichever new node you have added. In this way, you can add a new node to the start of a linked list. So let me show you the code for it. So here is the simple code what I have written. So it contains two classes. One is the node class and one is the linked list class. In node class, we have two things. First is the data and then is the next. Next means we can point whatever the current linked list node is pointing to, whichever next address. So that we will store it here. And data means the current value, whatever it is storing. So that's why I have two keys in this node. Similarly, here in the linked list, what we have a constructor, means initially the head is pointing to null, and whenever we are inserting at the start, what we are doing, we are creating a new node, and the new node next we are pointing to the head, whatever I have shown you, that what I am doing it here, and then I am changing the head to the new node. Okay, so this is the simple process how you can insert at the start, and this is a simple process for traversing of the complete linked list. Okay, so let me show you initially what I have added. 30, 20 and 10 I have added, and then I am showing you how I can add 5. So let me run this code to prove you. You can see 10, 20 and 30 I have added at the starting, and then I am trying to add 5 and you can see 5 is added. Okay, and by the way, I have also used the same insert at start process to add this all of them. Okay, so these 3 lines are sufficient for inserting at the start of a linked list. Okay, so if you liked my video, then please like this video, and if you are interested in coding related videos, then subscribe the channel and also go through multiple playlists what I have. This is a complete playlist which I have created, which contains a lot of different videos from different topics. I also have array playlist, binary search playlist, recursion playlist, and currently I'm making linked list playlist. Okay, so like this video, share with your friends who are preparing for their interviews. That's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching.